Want to know how to add a new category to your transfers or in the money manager application? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your money manager application. So we have also created some videos regarding money manager, which is available on our channel, so make sure to watch it. So now once everything is done, you should be on the money manager application and your interface should look just like this. And on the bottom right side, you should be seeing this plus icon right here, just simply like that. And here you should be seeing category. Select it once and then select this pencil icon right beside category, which will take you to the editing tab. Now, since we're adding a brand new category, just simply select this plus icon on the top right side. And I can just simply add any category of expense. So I'm just going to write bike and then select save. Now, as you can see right here, bike has been added. I can just simply order it just like this right here and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.